Alright guys, as I was saying, got interrupted there. Rifle's a Marlin, 795, semi-auto. Scope's a BSA Sweet 22. This is a great scope. It's been very accurate. It's a 3x9x40. Adjustable turret. I don't know if you can see that, because I can't see my screen. So now it's going to get really hot. The sun came out. But I just love this gun. It's so lightweight. Without the scope adds a lot of weight, but without the scope it's so lightweight. If you just have open sights, it has a thick barrel. And they're cheap. I picked this thing up for like 119 bucks. I mean, you can get it cheaper than that sometimes. But it's the same action as the Model 60 Marlin. It's everything's the same as a Marlin Model 60, besides the barrel's a little bit thicker, and it's magazine fed. Magazines I love because this is the stock one, 10 round. You got a release right here. You don't have to cock it, it's last shot hole open, but you have this release. So you can just slam another mag in and release it. They do aftermarket now. I know a lot of people are into Rugers. There's a lot of aftermarket for those good rifles. But you don't really need nothing else for this. That barrel it's so accurate with the micro groove rifling, and then you can get the 25 banana mag for it, which is great. Never had an issue with this. They're great. They're Pro Mag makes that, and they're cheap. But like I said, it's a great just plinking gun. If you're doing any competition, it's great. Open sights, it's very accurate. So many rounds I went through so far, almost a whole box of 38 specials. But this is my nice shooting spot. I always come here and shoot. I did a video last year sitting back in there on that table for just to make sure the rifle is sighted in. You got all these cobblestones. People come pick them. Good for the making a fireplace or landscaping, whatever. Nice rocks. It's not too bad of a place. They cleaned it up. A lot of people leave junk down there at the big pit. Someone came and cleaned it up. I usually do too. There's like no brass, nothing. Everybody's since you can't find it over the past year and a half, they're out here picking brass. I used to be able to just hundreds, thousands different calibers and brass. Now, not so much. So I'll go get my target here. Just about I'm done. It's getting really, really hot out. Like this, this used to be like a pond right here. Dried up. We're way below for our water. It's been pretty dry, even though it just rained a bunch. But you see this? This is like, I'll grab that. Nice enough. Someone left some cardboard for other people to use, which is nice. I have just this Target portable. Bought it a long time ago. It's about time to get another one, but these are so nice. They come in handy. Always wondered if there was any gold out here. I hate to come here with the metal detector because it's just so many pellets and lead pellets and whatnot, bullets, jackets. It all used to be underwater. It's pretty dried up now. This is county land. It's Lake Nockabee Wildlife Area. It's not a refuge. Hunting is allowed, shooting guns is allowed. They got a lot of trails here. There's an old farmstead up the road that I have previous videos on metal detecting. A lot of trails, mountain bike trails, hiking. People bring horses down in here. It's a pretty big area. The other side of the road down there is goes to the other part. It's way bigger than this. But I guess I'm gonna pack up, guys, get going, cool off, get my AC in my car. So have a good day.